Good morning students. Now today I am going to continue chapter 12th B of Geography Agriculture part 2nd Cash Crops. Topic is coffee. Coffee is an important beverage crop of the world. Coffee is one of the oldest plantation crops of India. It was the Britishers who introduced the systematic cultivation of coffee in plantation in 1830. The first plantation was set up in Karnataka. There are three varieties of coffee grown in India. Arabica, this type of coffee is the most important in the world trade. It is the finest coffee for flavor. More than 70% of the coffee produced in India is of this variety. This is a superior quality and most expensive. Second one is Robusta. The cost of production of this variety is less and the yield per acre is higher. Hence it is cheaper. Librica. It is used to make instant coffee. Geographical requirements. Coffee is a typical highland crop of the tropics. It grows best at altitudes ranging from 1100 meter to 2400 meter. Temperature. Coffee is usually grown in highland conditions where the mean monthly temperature range from 14 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius. Bright sunlight and warm weather are necessary for harvesting and preparation of the berries. The plant cannot tolerate frost, snowfall, high temperature above 30 degrees Celsius and strong sunshine, and is generally grown under shady trees. Rainfall. It needs rainfall ranging between 125 cm to 250 cm. Rainfall should be well distributed throughout the year. As stagnant water is harmful, the crop is grown on hill slopes. Soil. Coffee plant grows well in deep porous soil with high humus content. The soil must be properly manured to retain and replenish fertility. In India, coffee is grown on red and laterite soil. Shade. Coffee plants should be sheltered from direct sunlight, especially when the plants are young. In plantation, the coffee bushes are generally planted under the shade of taller and harder plants such as bananas, silver, oak and jackfruit. Methods of cultivation. Sowing transplantation method. The seeds are first sown in a small plot of land or nursery and allowed to grow for 9 to 12 months into tiny plants called seedlings by providing them with good basis of fertilizers. The healthy and well developed seedlings are then picked out from the nursery bed and transferred to the coffee estate. Planting is usually done during the rainy season. Trees like silver oak, jackfruit, etc. are planted in advance to provide shade to the plant. Orange trees, pepper vines, cardamom also provide additional income to the estate owner. Harvesting. Coffee plants are usually 5 to 6 years old before they begin to bear a full crop of coffee berries. Only red berries are picked. The shrubs continue to yield fruit for 30 to 50 years. The shrubs grow to a height of 4.3 to 6 meter, but they are pruned to about 3.7 to 4 meters to make it easier to pluck the berries. Berries are plucked by hand. Branches that have borne fruit are pruned every year. Coffee Arabica is ready for plucking in October, November and coffee Robusta in January, February. Processing, sorting and roasting. After plucking, the berries are processed to obtain the coffee beans. After the beans have been obtained, they are sorted according to size and quality. They are then roasted. Roasting gives the brown color and the familiar and pleasing aroma, flavor and taste of coffee. The more freshly roasted the beans, the better the coffee. For overseas export, coffee beans are picked into sack of 60 kilogram roasting and the final processing is done in the importing country. Areas of productions. India produces about 2.5% of world coffee. All the three major coffee producing states are in South India. Karnataka is the largest producer of coffee in India. It accounts for more than 70% of the total production. The other two important states are Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Andhra Pradesh also grows some coffee.